the middle of winter. I got 3 great ways to warm you up. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Grantham Pub Underground. Cool video for you today, and I don't know about where you guys live, but around here it is cold. So when we come in from outside, whether you've been out skiing, sledding, skating, or just out clearing the driveway and the walks, and you need something to warm up your bones from being outside, I have 3 great options for you. And the cool thing is, I have one from each kind of hot drink. Basically, I have a toddy. I'm gonna make a ginger hot toddy, and then I'm going to make a tropical winter hot chocolate. Interesting drink, that one. And then a hot nutty Irishman coffee drink. So let's start with the hot toddy. And hot toddy is basically just a warm hot water drink with some flavorings in it. And this calls for whiskey. And you know, if something calls for whiskey and they don't say otherwise, I'm using bourbon. A little bourbon goes in. And then next I want to up the ginger. Now you can do this in a couple different ways. I'm going to use some ginger brandy, which I don't find, I mean, it's not super gingery. A little bit of that. You can use regular brandy if you don't have that. You can use, if you have ginger liqueur, there's a cool ginger liqueur out there, you can use that. And you can also grate some ginger and then put it like in a clean cloth or cheesecloth and squeeze it, and you'll get ginger juice. You could add that to it. And then another way I'm going to up my ginger is I'm going to put some ginger syrup. And a little bit of lemon. And then simply just fill it up with some, boil up some water. Get yourself some nice hot water. And you can put a little more lemon on there if you want. I'm gonna just squeeze another little touch of lemon in there. You could add cinnamon if you want. Any kind of your, your warm spices you can think of would be great in this drink. And there you have it, guys. Drink number 1 to warm you up this winter. A ginger hot toddy. Next up is the hot chocolate drink. And this one, like I said, is called a tropical winter hot chocolate. Now, if you're in the tropics, do you really need hot chocolate? Probably not. But if you're stuck in the cold, like we are, and you're dreaming of the tropics, why not tropicalize your hot chocolate? And that's exactly what we're going to do. And it's going to start with some coconut rum, because what is tropical without coconut rum? And fortunately, we are using the best coconut rum on the planet from the Bahamas. And another tropical liquor is some spiced rum. So there's coconut rum, spiced rum, and then just your favorite hot chocolate. You could even use, I'm not going to lie to you, this is instant hot chocolate I'm using, but heck, it's certainly going to be good. And then what is hot chocolate without some marshmallows? So we have, here we go. And then really, what are marshmallows without some fire? You want to roast your marshmallows a little bit. You can do that however you see fit. I have one of these fancy little torches, which I'm going to try not to set the marshmallows on fire. I did. Everybody likes their marshmallows roasted to a different level of toastiness. Get away from me here. Just be careful. Don't burn anything down trying to do this. And there you have it. The next drink to warm your winter heart, a tropical winter hot chocolate. And finally, on our warm winter drinks is a hot Nutty Irishman. Now, I'm sure you've had a Nutty Irishman because Nutty Irishmen are good. And it has all the usual suspects. It's nutty. So, for the nutty, I have some hazelnut liqueur. For the Irish, I have some Irish cream. And because it's a coffee drink, I have some Kahlua. And then just simply top it off with some nice hot coffee that we brewed just a few minutes ago. And then you can fancy it up a little if you want, and you do. You can whip up some nice fresh cream. Let's see. I'm going to put the napkin down first because of my skill set, I suspect we're going to have some issues. And we did. But that's all right. And then if you want to fancy it up a little bit, why not just a little? You could grate some nutmeg on top. You could, whatever you want. That's just a little chocolate because chocolate. And then I'll get you a fresh napkin because you want it to be nice. You're serving your friends. You want it to be nice, but I just dumped it all over the place again. And that is your hot Nutty Irishman, mess and all. So there you have it, guys. 3 great drinks. Now I'm cold. It's cold out. I need to warm up. So it's time for, you know what? Ready? Drink. I'm gonna try this one first because it's bourbon and ginger. So how bad can it be, right? Cheers. That's good. It could be gingerier. It could be more gingery. I think if I were to make it again, I'd put the ginger syrup, the ginger juice in there, or get that ginger liqueur. It actually, to be honest with you, could be a little sweeter too. So I'm going to put a little more ginger syrup in there. See how that does for us. But it's definitely qualifies as a winter warmer. Yeah, that's better. Definitely better. That's a winner right there. What should I try next? I'll try the hot chocolate next because I don't really like coffee. So like, remember, coconut rum, spiced rum, hot chocolate, little roasted marshmallow. Oh, that's, I'd say it, but that's delightful. I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can spike hot chocolate. You could put, I like it with butterscotch schnapps. Lisa likes it with raspberry schnapps. You could put more chocolate liqueur in there. Obviously, you could put mint in there. This is just a nice little different twist to, because you know, coconut and chocolate go well together. You know, it's a good candy bar. So why wouldn't it be a good warm drink? And then you have your nice roasted marshmallows. I think I got something on my lip. And then finally, I don't like coffee. This actually looks like a good drink. Cheers. Yeah, I mean, it's coffee, but I can taste the nutty Irishman part of it. And that fresh whipped cream on top with the chocolate. That's actually, I mean, if you held me down at the lodge or after I came in and say, hey, you want to warm up and this is all, I would probably drink it. So there you go, guys. 3 great drinks for you to try. Just something different than your standard Irish coffee, you know, hot chocolate with I'm blanking, peppermint or whatever. Nothing wrong with those, but if you want something different, here you go. Guys, thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us here at the Underground. If it's your first time here, and I checked I did my little analytics, and a lot of you who come visit us are not subscribers. So you like this kind of stuff, obviously, so why not subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground? Be sure to hit the bell so when something new comes along, great new drink ideas or happy hour, we got the Clash, we have taste tests, we do a lot of shots, all kind of things. Family and friends stop over, we have parties. We share them with you, and we hope you get some ideas for having some good, responsible cocktail fun with your friends and family. And another thing you could do, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Maybe they'll come visit us too, and you guys can all hang out together with us. And don't forget, we have great new Grantham Pub Underground merchandise. You can get shirts, hats, sweatshirts, glasses. I mean, drinking glasses, not seeing glasses. And you can doctor up your bar and be part of the Grantham Pub Underground Pirate whatever Navy. Not Regatta. Armada, the Pirate Armada. Wow, how about that? The Pirate Armada, I just made that up. That might be a thing. Coming soon to a shirt near you. So I'm out of here. Gonna warm up by the fire, have a drink, and relax. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Remember, if you're gonna drink like a pirate, but please do it responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and operate heavy machinery. Don't drink and talk to your mother-in-law. Well, actually, I take that one back. You can do that one. So I'm out of here. Until I see you next time right here at the Grantham Pub Underground, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.